Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to design professional social media posts using Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the elements. Add the image to the canvas and increase its size. Click on the R button to add a square rectangle to the canvas image and increase the size. Go to the color section and choose any color to square. I am choosing a linear gradient colored. Go to the color settings and click on the second color. Then, reduce the intensity of the second color. Next, click on the first color in the settings and slightly low to color. Rotate the square. Click on the border line at the top. Set the border width to 9 and the corner rounding to 64. Change the border color to turquoise blue. Then, add another image from the elements and increase its size. Go to the Edit Image section. Click on BG Remove. To remove the background, adjust the image from the bottom to align with the top line of the square, then crop it. Then, go to the text section, choose a text style, and add it. Write father and son. Go to the color section, where you can choose the text color. Change the text color to white and increase its size. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.